Hey guys, another day, another ikot. Ngayon, nandito na tayo.
Yes, I saw yesterday.
That's not the same horsey, baby. We are at the Columbus Circle, one side of Central Park. Mas malayo yung travel namin ngayon sa train kasi sinadya talaga namin tong ibang side ng Central Park because it's nearer the area where the artists are. Ipapagawa namin ng portrait. Itong bulinggit na to. Hey Luna, are you ready to sit for a long time while they draw you?
Yeah.
Yan. It's just something we do while we're here. Meron na kami ni JJ a long time ago na kaming dalawa. Nakadalawa na yata tayo na Jay.
Isa dito, isa sa Montreal.
Such a touristy thing to do. But whatever, we are tourists here. Okay. Hey! Oh my god, yeah. Guys, it's Nicolas Cage. Yung kakadaan lang. Ano ba, babe? Puntahan natin. Dali! Babe! Oh my God. Kapag nagsasalita ako, nakita ko.
Picture?
Yeah.
Isa ba?
Let's go. I think it's him.
What happened, Mama?
It's a Hollywood actor. Let's go.
How did you watch?
Yeah.
What's your dad?
Although kasama niya yung anak niya eh. Baka ano.
What happened?
Wag na nga.
Basta na tayo. Ay,
Oh my God!
Mama, what happened?
He's a famous actor. His name is Nicolas Cage. Never mind, guys. Maybe he has a... Huh? He might want some privacy. Okay? Ah! But he looks like, ano, parang ang kapal na makeup, pero wala naman. Alam mo, yung mukha talaga siyang, ano, iba. Oh my
I
God!
wanna see him act.
Ay.
I wanna see actress.
Okay, we'll find another one. That's a second famous person JJ and I saw here in New York. The first one we saw years ago was Charles Barkley. Oh my gosh. Hindi babe, yung last time nandito tayo, nakita natin si Ryan Seacrest. Oh my God. Hindi maniniwala sila Jackie. Oh. Anyway, tignan nyo na muna tong this side of Central Park. West side ba to, Jay?
I think.
Hindi ko alam. Basta guys, ito yung side ng Columbus Circle. Entrance na yun. Okay?
Birdie.
Look. All right. We're gonna do something like this. Realistic portrait, ano. May option na caricature, but we're going for the portrait. Tsaka hindi niya sa amin binigay yung presyong nandyan. Nakasulat dyan yung portrait 65, but he went down to 40. Oh, just like that. Okay.
Oh, change.
Sa totoo guys, hindi ito. Nakita lang namin siya ng mas maaga. I know, baby!
7-minute walk.
Yeah. Yung okay. Hindi talaga ito yung part na hinahanap namin, but we just saw him here, so kinuha na namin. Jackie. You will not believe who we saw. Nicolas Cage. Yeah. Hindi nga eh. Naglalakad kami papunta dito. And then nagbablog ako. Biglang sabi niya, si Nicolas Cage, so pagtingin ko siya nga, kasama niya, anak niya. Luna, you're so serious. Look at me. Parang mga wala pang 10 minutes tayo nandito, no? Pero parang halfway through na rin si Kuya.
Stands are so you don't.
Alam niyo maganda gawin dito sa Central Park? Mag-people watching. Iba't ibang uri ng tao yung dumadaan, ano? Yung parang alam mo, yung iba galing sa work, yung iba naman mga turista, yung iba naman nagpunta lang dito para to clear their minds, no? Finishing touches na lang. Luna! You did so well. You really didn't talk, ha? Let me tickle you, ha? Let's see. Oh, it's great!
Okay, take a look.
Uh-oh.
Right.
Yeah. Look.
Okay.
Can you please?
So you want to try this?
Because of the
Okay, tapos na kami sa portrait. Ipagpa-park lang namin si Luna sandali. Kita niya yung ibang tao, nakahiga lang sila dyan, tambay-tambay. Hold on, let me check. Yeah, you can. That's it, we gotta go.
No, no, no.
Wait, what side we staying on?
Punta na pala kami ng Times Square. Malapit lang din dito. After that, we'll eat somewhere. Hanap kami ng makakainan. Straight ahead is Times Square.
I'm gonna break. See? Don't give it back to me, okay?
That was tremendous.
The famous Carnegie Hall. Ito pala yon, this one. Nakikita nyo na ba yung Times Square? Straight ahead, maybe about 4 blocks away, 4 or 5 blocks.
She's gonna dance in Times Square later.
Ano?
The last time we were here,
Ilan taste ba dyan?
we were with Ate Nicole. Guys, ang laki niyan, no? Tangkad. Anyway, mag-iingat kayo dun sa mga sumasayaw-sayaw na taong naka-costume, naka-mascot, kung ano-anong characters. Kasi syempre, ang dami nagpapapicture. Hindi nyo alam, pagkatapos nyo kumuha ng picture, they will force you to give them money. Like, how much was that the last time?
Like $15.
Yeah. And then the last time we were here, si Nicole, siya nakipag-away sa amin. For us. Nakipag-away siya doon sa mga naniningil. Kasi parang medyo they sort of harass you.
Yeah, they're like, hey, you have to give us this, and that.
Right. What did you tell them then?
I told them that we only asked for Minnie Mouse, and then we took a picture. We asked for a picture with Minnie Mouse, and then Spider-Man came in, and then we were like, we only asked for Minnie Mouse to be in the picture. Why should we pay Spider-Man if he voluntarily got in the picture?
Basta yun guys, ano. Pag nakita nilang pumayag kayo sa isa, dudumugin ka ng ibang mga kaibigan na lang ibang suot ng mga characters. That's what they did the last time.
Yeah.
Tapos, pag napapicture na rin yung iba, kailangan mo na ngayon bayaran yon. Oh my God. Tapos parang meron silang paraan na sobrang mahihiya ka pag hindi ka magbigay ng bayad. Huwag kayong bumigay. Okay?
Yeah. And he's like, no, man.
Pizza place. Siyempre guys, sikat din ang New York for their pizza. Shake Shack?
Where is Halal guys? Hold on.
Last time nabiktima ka ng kabukaan ng halal, guys.
I know. Guys, oh, yung sikat na halal guys. Okay? Lapang pila ngayon. Mainit? Yeah, mainit.
How are you all doing? This is Adam Sandler's man.
Niisip namin paano kunyari makasalubong namin si Adam Sandler dito. Oh my God. Number 1 fan din si JJ. No?
Ano to lineup na to? Stardust. What is that? Oo nga, Stardust lineup. May lineup. Ay, walang yan.
Ito mga souvenirs. Souvenir shop. Ang dami ng souvenir shop pag nandun na kayo malapit sa Times Square talaga. Ayan na! Ayan o. Look! It's a Spider-Man tour bus. Ang daming pila for that tour bus. O, kita nyo guys.
Nikki! Okay, look, alam ko TV so oh, tulog naman ako. Jackie Leeds, oh.
Daming tao guys, ano? What do you expect? Ito ang isa sa lagas na sinasadya dito sa New York City. To be in the middle of Times Square.
Hotdog na malaki daw sa kasi. Hotdog na bang sila?
Tapos, kanya-kanya na lang kayong pwesto, no guys? Kung saan kayo magpipicture.
Okay, let's take a photo. 2, 3, smile. One more.
Wala, lakad-lakad lang kayo dito. Ang daming tao. Ito yung medyo bago sa akin, ano. Ngayon ko lang to nakita. Itong malaking hotdog bun na ito. Ito na yung mga kalaban. Ito na sila. May binibiktima na. Naku po.
Jay, I wonder who built that car, Jay.
Ryan, I need energy, brother.
Aba.
Gather round, New York City, gather round.
Just to warm up, just to warm up. Let's go, buddy. Come on, come on.
Luna, will you go with him if he gets you? Dami. Ano ba? Go! Move closer. Ang daming ano. Ang daming kung ano-ano. Kapag ito hindi ano nakakabili ba?
Hey, Tito, let's check the racist. You're confident. You're not racist. You're not confident. You're racist. You're not confident. Here we go. Let's go. Oh my God. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I see you. I see you. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. That is crazy. Stop the show. If you guys ready for the great show, everybody say yeah. Yeah. No. I like to perform for the people who have good energy, positive energy. If you have a
Malapit na
negative
kami umalis
energy,
Ang
walk
tagal lang.
away
Ang
now.
daming pa sa
If you have a
kalye.
positive energy, scream. Beautiful. I do have 3 separate rules to the show. Rule number 1. If you see it and you like it, you clap. Rule number 2. Whoa! Whoa! What? No. What to happen? I'm gonna run. Here we go. Check it out. Okay. Oh. Make some noise!
Friends Team Cafe. Mga fans ng Friends. Sa totoo guys, hindi ako na-into sa Friends. But of course, I know about it and how big it was. What a big hit it was, no? Okay. It's right by Central Park, guys. Okay. Makikita nyo rin. Here you go.
Thank you.
Abot din ng
We're in Chinatown. Dito kami sa Wohap.
Up here, same as Wahap downstairs.
Oh, hey, yo.